एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर. If you like, share and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then keep on watching. You may like something, you may subscribe to the channel, and as you know from the title that today I'm going to react and recreate few of those 5-minute craft DIY fashion hacks, lifesaver hacks, or whatever those hacks. Like I am one of those people who hop on the trend like the last. People were recreating these 5 minutes DIY hacks. Instagram पे बहुत ज़्यादा famous था ये basically, and they were showing that you can turn a scarf into a top, and you can create your own tops and some sort of those hacks. And I thought, okay, how practical actually it is. Like a lot of people have recreated these viral fashion hacks, so I thought let's just do it. Maybe I am hopping on the trend really late, but I just want to do it. So yeah. So I have my laptop with me and I'm going to watch few of those and I'm gonna react. So these are the 8 brilliant clothing hacks for girls, cool DIY ideas. I'm very sure that this video is gonna get copyright issue. But then how people make reaction videos, yaar? I don't know. I have no idea.
One of your best friends. Except embarrassing yourself.
Okay. So this video starts with that she has some yellow armpit stains. पहली बात, ऐसे कपड़े पहन के तुम कभी बाहर जाओगे नहीं. Like तुम्हें पहले घर से निकलने से पहले पहनते टाइम वो येलो स्टेन नहीं दिखा था. And then the way she's pulling scarf out of her friend, I mean, so she is going to create
Take a regular shawl or pashmina.
a shrug, I guess.
Hands. I've got a new funky vest.
वैसे मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये अभी भी हाथ उठाएगी तो वो येलो आर्मपिट स्टेन अभी भी दिखेंगे, बट ठीक है. दिस इज़ अ क्यूट DIY shrug.
Slightly pin stains. Take that, summer weather.
Okay. Okay.
Ever go from Netflix?
She jumped on the couch and उसकी पैंट्स फट गई. ठीक है अभी तक.
Netflix and fluid malfunction? Don't stress. You can fix this. Just take a pair of scissors and a pinch of creativity.
ओके तो जहाँ पे वार्डरोब मैल फंक्शन हुआ है वहीं पे जाके कढ़ाई बुनाई सिलाई करना शुरू कर दो.
It feels good being helpful, doesn't it? Place the torn pair of pants on a table
Okay.
in front of you. Fold
Okay.
them in half so one leg is on top of the other. Find the corner sticking out. That's the crotch of the pants that needs mending. By making this rim even bigger, you can now place your what used to be the pant legs. They're now sleeves.
ओके मैं ये नहीं करने वाली.
Actually fit pretty.
पहली बात, 3 क्वेश्चन है मेरे कि जहाँ पे ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन होती है वहीं पे जाके आप कढ़ाई बुनाई सिलाई शुरू कर देते हो. सेकंड, उसकी पैंट्स फट गई थी एंड उसने क्रिएटिविटी दिखा के उसका टॉप बना दिया, बट अब उसको पैंट्स नहीं चाहिए. मतलब मतलब पैंट्स तो अभी भी चाहिए ना.
Wait a minute. She stole my look.
या
Lucky
Crisis.
for you, you have a creative mind to back you up. Slide.
Okay, so she is wearing a skirt as a top and or as a dress, which is a very famous DIY. So we are going to skip that. Like, okay, this is doable. This is fine. This is not bizarre.
You have time to get ready.
ऐसे कौन उठता
Time
है?
to turn those PJs into a look. Slip the pants off and put both legs into
Okay.
one side.
So she is going to make palazzo into a dress. For that, your palazzo legs needs to be really wide. अगर वो wide नहीं है तो there is no chance you can fit into one leg.
Up over your chest. Take the unused
I think I am gonna
leg,
try
stretch
this
it
one.
up, and slide
Yes,
your
this one I'm gonna try.
hips
Okay, we are going to try this hot DIY for neck. Like she was wearing a spaghetti and she did this and this and she got a new top. So I don't think so my tops are that stretchable, but we'll try.
A sweater. Not quite right. I totally forgot I had these cut-off shorts from last summer. Super.
पहली बात, किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि वो अपने बैठ के शॉर्ट्स में लेस लगाए एंड देन यू नो मतलब मेरे हिसाब से किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है यार. शी लिटरली spent almost, like, she's using glue. If she would have stitched it, it would have taken more than 20-25 minutes. इससे बढ़िया you can wear something else and buy a new shorts. And वो lace अच्छी भी नहीं लग रही थी. Okay, so this one hack, where she wear t-shirt as a skirt. This one is also very doubtable for me because I am a pear-shaped person, so my upper body is very small than my lower body, and if I wear my t-shirt as a skirt, I probably tear it apart. Yeah, so I don't think so how practical these DIY are. एक DIY तो था जिसमें they were wearing a scarf as a top. Like वो पता चल रहा था कि I don't know how they are wearing it, but publicly it will be very difficult to manage that scarf as a top. There's this one hack which about the wraparound dress which looks doable, but I don't know how sturdy it is. तो कल को जब भी तुम्हें किसी पार्टी पे जाना हो ना और तुम्हारा कोई फ्रेंड बोले कि लेट्स गो फॉर शॉपिंग, यू से नो वील डू DIY. फ्यू ऑफ द हैक्स तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि ये टिकी भी कैसे हुई है, ये काम कैसे कर रही हैं. एंड एक स्पेगेटी से उसने हॉल्टर नेक स्पेगेटी बना ली. क्या ही हो रहा है मतलब. हो ओके, शी इज़ मेकिंग अ लेस इन लोगों को बहुत पसंद है आई गेस. एक ओके, दिस फ्रिंजेस टॉप, शी कट आउट द स्पेगेटी, देन शी मेड फ्रिंजेस, then she's gonna stitch it. Like, oh my god, they are called DIY or hacks because they are like this, but they are taking so much time in the video itself. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं कभी भी ये सब करने वाली हूँ. I think like for the people who know stitching and stuff, it will be very easy for them, but for the people like me who don't know anything, it will be very difficult. एंड हैक्स ऐसी होनी चाहिए ना जो आपका टाइम बचाए. ऐसी हैक्स का क्या फ़ायदा है जो लाइक इतना टाइम लग रहा है, टाइम वेस्ट है मेरे हिसाब से. मोस्टली इट्स अ टाइम वेस्ट. ओ माई गॉड, दे आर स्पेंडिंग सो मच टाइम इन क्रिएटिंग टॉप्स को स्कर्ट को टॉप. ओके, दे हैव ऑल्सो मेड अ रग. ओके, सो बाय फार मे बी हैक्स मैंने देखी हैं, दे आर रियली लाइक फ्यू ऑफ देम आर रियली गुड एंड फ्यू ऑफ देम आर लाइक कुछ भी हो रहा है, लाइक लिटरली कुछ भी हो रहा है. एंड दूसरी बात, हैक्स को हैक्स इसलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज दे आर वेरी इट सेव्स योर टाइम. I think like you're spending more time than you have spent while going to the market getting a top. You're spending double of the time creating a top from your original t-shirt or top, which is like इससे अच्छा तो मैं वही t-shirt ही पहन लूँ यार. I didn't like this. However, I finalized few recreations which I'm going to do. So let's start with the recreations. So I have this palazzo. This palazzo is the widest leg palazzo I have. So अभी देखो मैं इसमें fit होती हूँ या नहीं. So she fit into the one leg, है ना? Okay. Stupid. Okay. ओके, वो ऊपर तक ले गए तो मैं ऊपर तक लेके नहीं गई थी. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो ये ऊपर तक आएगा भी बिकॉज मेरी लोअर बॉडी इज हेवी. Okay, so I don't know how to show you guys, but ये इसके ऊपर आ नहीं रहा है. Like ये यहाँ पे अटक गया है. I tried removing the shorts I was wearing before. मुझे लगा उसकी वजह से ज़्यादा कुछ हो रहा है, but this I cannot take a cure. Maybe because I have a pear-shaped body. I told you earlier, right? So I just can't get it above here. Such a fail. See, I just want to show you how beautiful these pants are. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा wide है. Like बहुत ज़्यादा. Like बहुत ज़्यादा. No. आसन जो है, like I don't know what you people call, but इसका आसन जो है वो मेरी hips के पास अटक जा रहा है एक leg का. So I just cannot pull it on. I don't know how. I think वो nylon का कपड़ा जो होता है जो थोड़ा सा stretch हो जाता है. It is possible with that one, but not with the cotton one. Definitely not. Okay, so this is that wraparound dress one DIY. Okay, so what she did something like this, and she ये आगे आएगा ही नहीं क्योंकि इसकी डोर इतनी ही है. I try to tie it down here. Okay, so this is how the dress will look. Okay, I need to change that. Oh, okay, so this is how it is gonna go look, and I'm not a fan of it. So this is not something which I would recommend anybody because I'm not feeling very secure with just one tie at the end. And but अगर घर पे if you wanna shoot and घर पे you wanna click pictures, घर पे you wanna click pictures, so you can definitely go and do this one. But it was also a disaster. Like, I won't say it was fun doing it. So this is the second tie she did, which looks really fancy, but again, I will not go for it because it's not safe. See, मेरे को पहले ही इन DIYs पे कोई भरोसा नहीं था, ठीक है? And after filming this video, I have zero faith. Like, अभी तक मैंने 3 try करे हैं और तीनों के तीनों was disaster, complete disaster. This looks really fancy and stuff, but I don't think, like, you need to carry either a jacket over it, or you need to staple it, or you need to do something because it's not safe. Also, it is not very easy on my neck, like because मुझे डर है कि ये बहुत खुल जाएगी जल्दी, तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से बांधा हुआ है एंड यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत मतलब दर्द हो रहा है बिकॉज या नहीं हो रहा है. लाइक इतना ही स्पेस है उसमें मैं अपना सर नहीं निकाल पा रही हूँ एंड I think this should be it. This should be the sign that DIYs doesn't work for me, or at least the clothes I have. Also, I wanted to mention one thing. If you guys have enough clothes that you are doing DIYs on them, and you have so much clothes, I would rather suggest then बहुत ज़्यादा वो कपड़े हैं तो you can go and give it in some donation and somebody else can get benefit of it rather than just wasting them, because none of these hacks are working, at least for me. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll link down all the donation clothes wala link in the description box. If you want to give your clothes, इसको scarf for like hacker and okay, so she did this, then she did this. This नहीं ऐसी छोटी चुन्नी है, बड़ी लेनी पड़ेगी. ओके, मेरा उससे कुछ नहीं हुआ स्कार्फ से. तो मेरे पास मेरी मम्मी का दुपट्टा है ना, आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन एंड ये समर मुझे दिस एंड दिस मुझे मेरा दिस ओके प्लीज वन now this and behind. This is how it's going to look, and it's really not sturdy, not recommending to anybody wearing outside. घर पे पिक्चर्स लेनी है तो ले सकते हो, otherwise I'm not very fond of it, not liking it. कौन पहनता है इनको? That was it for today's video, guys. That was it where I reacted to few of the bizarre DIYs, and some of the DIY hacks were really good, and some of the DIY hacks like not my type. So do let me know which hack do you like the most, और तुम इतना टाइम स्पेंड करोगे like एक टी-शर्ट को टॉप या स्कर्ट बनाने में? I think anybody would go and get a new one rather than spending this much time in creating a new, like DIY में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कर लो, but the material which is turning out to be has to be good ना, but वो अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है तो क्यों करोगे? I didn't like these DIY fashion DIYs as of now. Do let me know your opinion about it. Do let me know. What do you find these DIYs helpful? Like वो scarf वाला जो था मतलब like you can wear a t-shirt, white plain t-shirt, like उसके ऊपर you can wear a scarf as a like fashion statement or a style statement, but सिर्फ scarf, I mean hello, this is India. मुझे थोड़ा odd लगा. बाकी anybody who wants to wear it can wear it. I am no one to stop them from wearing it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you loved hanging out today with me on this video. And I will see you super soon. Till then, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and that was it. Bye.